Well, here we are another day. The bionic dog is walking around. Harley! She still hates the braces. But here we are, another day. We have all of our tools loaded. We have our trailer empty. But I'm kind of stuck with a little bit of a, I don't know, it's not really a problem. It's not really a problem. It's more of what I should do. So let me explain my problem to you. So here's my situation. There's 2 demolition derbies this weekend. We have Clinton on Friday night, and we have, well, Brooklyn's on Saturday and Sunday. But if I derby Friday night, I'm probably going to want to have a day off so I can derby Sunday. So here's the problem. Thrill Show is pretty much pro, and that's what this car is. This is a lightly modified pro car. It doesn't have any plates on it. It has no stuffing kind of thing, so it's on the light side of pro, but it does have a 4x4 square tubing bumper, and it does have a couple plates at the front 6 inches. So, I don't know. I consider that to be along our pro rules here in Ontario, but this can run Thrill Show, or this car can run Brooklyn. Now this could run Thrill Show and then be pro at Brooklyn, or if you guys come over here, that's right, the Schaumburg car is still in a, this is actually Newcomb, Schaumburg car is actually still in pretty good shape. Now this could run Thrill Show as well, but at Thrill Show this car might be a little bit underbuilt. Now the interesting thing is Brooklyn has changed a lot of their rules this year, and this car could actually run stock class at Brooklyn instead of pro. So my question is, do I run this car at Thrill Show, or do I run this car at Brooklyn? So Brooklyn I'd be stock, Thrill Show I'd be Thrill Show rules. Or do I run this car at Thrill Show in Thrill Show rules, or run it in Brooklyn pro rules? So this one would be pro at Brooklyn, this one would be straight stock. I really don't know. This is going to be a tough call for me. I'm not exactly sure on what I'm going to do. I don't know. I'm going to have to think about this for a while, but I think this would have a better chance at Thrill Show and not as good a chance in the full pro at Brooklyn. But at Thrill Show, I don't think this one would stand a very good chance, but Brooklyn straight stock, I kind of think it might do a little bit better. So that's what I'm maybe thinking about doing, but I don't know. Let me get back to you on it. So guys, I want you to do something. I want you to take a second and I want you to comment down below which car you want to see derbied. We got the Schaumburg Newcomb Solera. I don't know, doing pretty good, but which one do you want to go to see to Clinton? This Solera, Newcomb, or this Solera, Infected? Up to you, boys and girls. Which one do you want to see get wrecked today? I'll leave you there to comment, and then we'll see which one gets picked. Have you guys left a comment yet? Newcomb? Sorry, Infected or Newcomb? Which one do you think's gonna win? Well, not really win, but which one do you think's gonna be derby today? Well guys, I picked Infected. And the reason why I picked Infected is I honestly think this car is going to have a much better time at Thrill Show than the other car, and I really think the other car is going to pass bone stock rules or stock rules at Brooklyn. Well, this car would have to run pro. So it's kind of like bring two underdogs to two separate shows, or bring two cars to two shows that are actually built to compete at those shows. This car here is going to be a little underbuilt going to Thrill Show, but it's still going to be better than Newcomb. Newcomb is way less of a build than this car. So even this bumper, that's going to be the deciding factor right there. But let's see if we can see light. That's the rules. You must see light all the way through the bumper. So bumper passes Thrill Show rules. I'm allowed to have all the doors welded and all that, but God, I hate welding. So we just got the seat belts going on. So Laras don't have the tops of the doors that go up and around, so there's nothing really to help hold the roof in. But I don't know. Well, let's get this thing tied down and get ready for today's demolition derby. I'm pretty happy to see this car being derbied. This car here has, I think this was the first one I built over the winter, and it's been sitting the longest. This is basically the winter project, and I'm hoping to wreck this thing here in about, Thrill Show derbies usually last about 8 to 12, maybe 15 minutes. So let's see how fast I can wreck this car. Let's get her tied down. She's all loaded and tied down. I just have to put some tools in the back of the truck still, like the battery charger, my outfit, like my coveralls, all that fun stuff, my helmet. But I just want to tell you guys, I've added something different to this car. Can you see what that is? That is a GoPro Hero Session, I think that's what it's called. And it's going to be facing backwards. I do have it bolted through the roof. Not really concerned if that thing breaks or gets taken away inside the demolition derby, because I bought them used. So let's see if we can get some back end footage coming. I think that'd be really cool, guys. So wish me luck, everybody. We'll be out there repping the number 171 and Zacks Workshop. So make sure that you guys stay tuned and see this thing get smashed. I know a lot of guys and girls have been waiting for this thing to be done. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.